This video will be a full Systeme.io review. We'll go over all of the core features contained within the dashboard, which looks like this, and we'll do a brief tutorial on some of the core features as well. But I have a number of feature-specific tutorials for Systeme.io linked in the description of this video, so if you're looking for an in-depth tutorial on how to do something specific with Systeme, check the links in the description. If you're just looking to learn a little bit more about the tool and decide whether or not this is a good platform for you, then this Systeme review is what you're going to want to watch. And I've been using Systeme as a sales funnel builder and email marketing platform, as well as a number of its other tools for some of my clients for years. And I've also been promoting it as an affiliate for quite some time. And at this point, I'm working on moving some of my own business assets onto Systeme, because over the years, I've worked with a lot of different sales funnel builders, a lot of different landing page builders, email marketing tools, and Systeme is one of the only ones that has consistently gotten better without sacrificing anything. I see a lot of tools that when they start trying to add new features, core features, which were the whole reason that I started using the software, stop working as well because they stopped paying as much attention to them. And Systeme is kind of the opposite of that. They really focused on building a solid core product, which is this all-in-one online business and digital marketing platform. And just to take a quick look at the dashboard here, within Systeme.io's free account, so without having to pay anything ever, you get access to their affiliate dashboard and reseller dashboard, so you can promote the software as an affiliate like I'm doing, or you can become a white label reseller. Within the CRM, you can manage your contacts with tags and in a number of other different ways. They also have sales pipelines, which if you're doing a lot of sales, like if you're a marketing agency or a coach or a consultant and you want to run a booking funnel, then this can be very helpful when you're doing that. And they've also recently added a booking calendar where you can set your availability and you can integrate with your Google Calendar and use your Systeme.io landing pages as booking pages to schedule your calls. And it also integrates with Zoom and with Google Meet for the video calls. So this is an example of one of their newer features. I think this has been added in the past year maybe. And because they put in the time and the work to make sure that their core product works very well, when they add new features, they tend to work properly also. And it's honestly a little bit unbelievable at this point how much value you get from just a free account on Systeme. And to explore that a little bit more under sites, we've got sales funnels, which this is the main thing that I've always used Systeme for. They have a great sales funnel builder, a great landing page builder, and my most recent tutorial focuses on that, so the link to that is in the description. But they also have a website builder for companies that want a more traditional kind of website. They also have a blog creator, and they also have something called creator stores, which I've just started to look into this, but I really like it. It's basically just an easy way to feature all of your products in one place. And under assets over here, you can sell physical products, you can sell courses, you can sell access to communities, you can sell files like digital downloads. And all of this is included in the free plan. Even video hosting for your courses is included in the free plan. Most places would charge you quite a bit for video hosting. And then, of course, they have probably the best free email marketing that I'm aware of. You can have up to 2,000 contacts, and you can send newsletters, which are one-time emails, as well as create campaigns, which are like autoresponders and automations. They also have an SMS integration with Twilio. So if you want to use SMS in your automation, that is now an option right inside of Systeme. This is also a newer feature. And then they have really great automation builders. They have both rules, which is a more simple type of automation where when something else happens, where when one thing happens, it triggers something else to happen based on a rule. And then they also have workflows, which are more complex which are more complex automations. And I don't have any in this account right now, but I have set up some fairly complex automations when setting things up for my clients. And the system automation builder just works like a dream compared to a lot of other tools, which would charge you an arm and a leg compared to this free plan. And in addition to everything else that I just mentioned, you can also create affiliate programs for anything that you sell within Systeme. So if you want other people to promote your products and services and then pay them a commission when they generate sales, you can do that as well. And usually with a platform like Systeme.io that is an all-in-one online business and marketing platform, things tend to be really busy. It tends to take a long time to navigate from one thing to the other. There's often a lot of loading time, and that's just not the case here. Everything is accessible from this one main top menu, which is always visible. And once you understand which top-level categories each tool fits into, it's very easy to know where they are. And it's all got just such a simple, plain layout where here I'm in assets and courses. I've got one course. I can click on this to view it. These are all the lessons within this module of the course. Here's another module of the course. And we can take a quick look at one of the course pages right here. And it looks pretty much the exact same with communities, except you come in here, you can create a community. You want to look at a community or edit it, you can access it right here. And it's a very simple layout. But ultimately, when you have so many different things to manage within one dashboard, simplicity is key. That's what makes it so easy to navigate. And because it's all built into this one platform, everything is by default connected to each other. You don't need to worry about integrating your pop-up builder with your landing page builder, with your email marketing software, with your SMS software, with your sales funnel software. It's all just built right in here, and you can access any tool very easily. But the key thing is that they're all already built together. And most of this stuff is very easy to figure out on Systeme. Now, if you've never used a CRM before, if you've never used email marketing before, or built a landing page before, you'll certainly run into some challenges. But if you use the tutorials on my channel, this software is actually very stable and very easy to use. It's not like a lot of other tools such as WordPress, where if you click the wrong thing at the wrong time, you might break your entire website. That's not even really possible on Systeme for the most part. And while all the tools are available right here, in order to set certain things up, we need to look at the settings. And so if you just go to your profile image over here, we have settings and sub-accounts. And sub-accounts are amazing on Systeme. Sub-account basically allows you to give access to someone else so that they can work on your account. That's how I work on my client accounts. I have them set up their own Systeme account, then they give me a sub-account on their account, and then I can get access and build things for them. And you can do all this for free. My client can be on the free account, I can be on the free account. And of course, once they're ready to go live and start making money, I generally encourage them to upgrade to one of the paid tiers. But that's only if they need and or want the more advanced features. You can absolutely get started on Systeme just using a free account. And we'll take a quick look at the settings. So I just went over my profile picture and I clicked on settings. And so here we can see my plan. I'm currently on the free plan. And then we've got the monthly rates of $17 a month, $47 a month, and $97 a month, which is honestly insanely low pricing. You can compare Systeme to basically any competitor, and you'll find that it is way more valuable in terms of what you get for the money. And if you want to pay annually, you can also get 2 months free by paying once a year instead of once a month. And as I mentioned, on the free account, you get up to 2,000 contacts. You can have 3 sales funnels, up to 15 sales funnel steps. You can have a blog, a course, a creator store. You can have multiple products. You can have a couple automations. You can use tags and email campaigns. The core tools are all included in the free plan. There's just limitations on how much you can use them. But if you're just trying to get your business started or your side hustle started, or you're trying to validate a product idea, you can likely do it all on the free plan. They also have a ton of payment gateways. They have way more payment gateways than most places. Of course, they have Stripe and PayPal, which are the standard ones. But they also have Mercado, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, Go Cardless, and a number of other methods. I've seen a number of people that use Systeme talking about how it was the only sales funnel software that they could find that allowed them to take payments in crypto, for example. And this is also where you can set up your domains for the purposes of hosting your sites, as well as for sending emails from your domains. You can set a number of the core options for your affiliate programs here. And they've even added an MCP server and API key section. And MCP servers are how vibe coding tools integrate with platforms like Systeme. The only thing that I know for sure you can use vibe coding for on Systeme right now is creating email campaigns. But I wouldn't be surprised if there are a few other things you can do already, and they're definitely going to keep adding more. And I know probably a lot of people are not that deep into vibe coding, but if you are, it is something that they're focusing on, and it's just going to keep getting better. You can also create your own webhooks and set up a number of integrations here. And as I mentioned, they've got the Twilio integration for SMS. They have Google Calendar, Zoom, and Google Meet integrations for booking calls and for actually fulfilling the calls. And then they also have Google Sheets, which is great for data management, and ActiveCampaign, which is a very popular email marketing and automation platform. So if you were already using that and you wanted to use them together, then you would be able to. And that's going to conclude this Systeme.io review and tutorial. Remember, I have a bunch of other Systeme tutorials linked in the description. My most recent one talks about using the landing page builder. I've also got one covering how to use the email marketing tools and how to add custom CSS if you want to add a little bit of custom code to really make your pages pop. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful and you'd like to see more videos from me in the future. And remember to sign up for Systeme.io using my affiliate link, which you'll find in the description. If you're not already signed up, I hope that this helped you make a decision for your business, and I'll talk to you again soon.